Do you want to create a beautiful digital planner for free? In this video, I'll show you how to design a fully hyperlink digital planner in Canva. No design experience needed. So let's dive in. For create digital planner with hyperlink, we need to go to the Canva and then go click on create or plus, and then go to the custom size. Here you can choose according to the pixel, inch, millimeter or centimeter, but I choose all the time, I just choose according to the inch, and just click 8.5 and 11 inch, and then create new design. And in this situation, go to the element and go to the shape and just choose one of them. I just choose this one, and then just cover not all of the page but most of them, and then go to the click here corner rounding and just put on the, I think it's 50 or 60, I think is enough. And then go to the color, click on this, go to the color to change the color of this. I choose this one, but it's up to you. You can choose every color that you want, like this or this one. I just choose this one is as an example. And then in this situation, when we change the color of this, go again to the element and then just write the spiral notebook or only a spiral. Go to the graphic, and here you can see a lot of them. This one and this one you need to buy the account, but you can choose this one, I think is okay. Put it here and just cover all of the like this that I change it. I think here is okay. And if you don't like the color of this, you can click on the spiral and go just change the color. Like here, for example, I want to change it to the other color, like this one or maybe this one. It's up to you. I just change the color like this, and then after this again go to the element, go to the shape and choose this one. And after that, I think this one, this, put it here, not at top of this, just put it here because we need for every month. And then go to the corner rounding, just change it on the 50 or 55 or 60. It's I think it's better. And then change the color to every color that you want. I just change to this one, or maybe you can choose this one. I just choose this one, I think it's better. And then let me just change this one to see the differences between them. Click on this and duplicate it, put it again here, not a little bit distance, a little bit like this. Again click and duplicate it, and change it, just put it in here like this. Again duplicate until 12. You can see like this. And then just change the location a little bit. You need to put all of them in the middle. I think this one is okay. Now is okay. And after this, just click on the small one and then go to the position and then go to the layers. Here you should to change the location of this. So in this situation, the first, just change the location of a spiral here, and then just change the location of this after a spiral like this. And you can see now we have this one. Then go to the text and just choose add the text or add the heading, add the subtitle, I think is better. just write January, but I just write Jan, and change the font and size to a little bit smaller, like 25, I think is okay. And also you can change also the font of this, it's up to you. For example, Anton, I just choose Anton, or maybe DM Sans, or another font that you want. Okay, just change the size. Then we should to put it here like this. Now it's okay, and then duplicate it for February, and we do it for all of the months. So now we have this page, and then go to the text, because we need to write everything that we want. And just write, I don't know if you can write, for example, 2026 or 2027, and then just put it in the middle or top of your page. It's up to you. And then I just put it here, and you can also change the font to another things, or Montserrat, and like this maybe it's better, I don't know, but I put it here. And again go to the text, add a heading, and then write planner, every name that you want. And I change the font to the Anton. I think it's nice, this font, and I like it. And then just put in the below of 2026 and in the middle of the page like this. In this situation you can add some sticker here, it's up to you. Sometimes I go to the element and just write here, for example, stars, and then go to the graphic, and here you can see this one, this one, and this one. I choose this one, it's free, and just for example put it here a little bit better, and then like this, duplicate, again put it here, duplicate, and it's a little bit beautiful. So this is for the cover of our planner. You can write another thing that you want, you can add another sticker that you want. So go, we need to for the first page for January, click on add page. In this situation, then go to the element, and then go to this shape, and just add this one, and we can put it here. And again you can change the color of this, just put it here like this. You can design it everything that you want, and then go to the text, add a sub heading, and we need to write everything here. For example, I just write here January, and or maybe you can write here, for example, the week planner or day planner or something like this. And again go to the elements and just choose this one, put it here, change the color to the white like this, and then go to the stroke style and just click here 1 or 2. I just put 2, it's better for to have a border. And then you can to have a round like this, but if you don't like, you can remove this one. And just like this, I think it's not bad. Duplicate it here and add a text, add a subheading, and I want for the week 1, for example, this is for week 1, I put it here, and this is for week 2, for example, this is for week 2. Both of them, you can group both of them when you want to move, it's very easy for you. And then duplicate it again for week 3, for example 3, and again duplicate this one for 4. You can change them and move them middle, again it's up to you. And then again go to the element, you can add this one and you can put it for the week 5, or you can also just put it here like this, align with the other things that we have, other shape, and then go to the text, add the subheading, and we can write, for example, note, or we can write January, everything that you want like this, and put it here. Just change the size. I think it's better it's smaller than the other one. And also you can change the color because it's for January, and you can add another elements. Go to the elements, and for example we can add, for example, a snow, and here we can add this one. This is free, completely free, and for example put it here to be a little bit better or a little bit beautiful, and change this one like this, and change the color of this also to the we also can to change this one to the other color, for example to the maybe this one. It's up to you, or this one, or another one. Then, and in this situation you can add another sticker. Again, it's up to you. So I just put it here. I think it's okay. For the February, just click here, duplicate page, and just write, for example, February like this. And then we can change everything here. For example, just change the sticker, just change the shape, and also you can add some I don't know, like a butterfly, like just change the color, just change the font. It's again up to you. You just to continue until December. So now it's finished, and we have this one, you know, just planner for 12 months. You can change every color, you can change, and for example you can set the season, January, February, March, just one color, and also you can change the sticker. Everything is up to you. You can also change the change the font, change the size, or maybe the circle, the square, everything that you want. So in this situation, we want to link this cover with every, with every page. So this page, you should to click here and write January for the Jan, and this one for the February, and until December you should to write the name of your page. For example, this is March, and until the end of the planner. So how can we just link with each other? Just go to the January and click on January, and just click on more, or 3 dots to more, click on link, and here you just see the January, February, March, or other months. Just click on January and then done. For February also is like this. Go to the February, click on 3 dots, and then go to the link, and then go to the February, and then done. In this situation, done. This is our planner. You should to design it. You should to have a best, to spend a lot of time to design it, to change the color, to change the font and size and something like this. I just show you the base of to create a digital planner. After this, when we finish the link with January until December, and when you just link it, you can see there is a hyperlink. There is a link, you know, underline just below the January. It means that the January linked to the page of January, but April until December we didn't do this. After you finish until December, go to the share because we want to download it, and then you also can add some sticker here. Let me just before the download it, let me, for example, you can add some sticker, flower, or everything like this. Again, it's up to you. You should spend time to do something like this. For download, go to the share and then click download. And here the default is PNG, but click on PDF standard. And then there is a page from 1 until 13. The first is for cover, 12 for the month, and then download it. This is our planner. When we click on January, it goes to the page of January. When click on February, it goes to the February. If you want to use this PDF, I just put it in description. You can click on the link and just write your email and receive this planner for yourself.